Hello guys, welcome back to Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are doing peanut brittle, or in cake as we call it in Ghana. Yes, we use a lot of sugar in it, but today I've just taken away the lot of sugar. So this one is called a healthy cake or healthy peanut brittle. Yes, it is so delicious. And I'm doing it in two ways. So you should tell me which one you prefer, okay? So come along with me and let's do this. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Let's do this. So guys, to start, I'm just showing you how I make my roasted peanuts. I put my peanuts in boiled water with salt, okay? And then I put that in my air fryer and then cook it for about 12 minutes. It doesn't take that long. And then I take really the chaff from it, or the skin from it, as you can see in the video. That's all that it is. It takes very little time and it is so delicious. If you can't do that, you can just buy a normal salted peanuts. So all the skin is taken off. As you can see, I put that in my freezer bag and I just bash it. I like doing this, okay? You can put it in your food processor as well if you prefer, but I like doing it this way. So with the first one, I just add honey to it, okay? As you can see, I pour some honey into my bowl and I add my crushed peanuts. That's all that it is, really, okay? Mix it nicely and then I mold it into any shape of your choice. So follow along. So as you can see, it's all done. I'm going to put this into the freezer and that's it. And I freeze it and then I enjoy it from there. It's so easy. As you can see, I take it out of the freezer and put that in a Ziploc bag and I keep it in the freezer and I enjoy it. Let's move on to the second bit, okay? The second recipe is when I have my crushed peanuts, I add some maple syrup, okay? Yes, as you can see, it's maple syrup I'm adding, and also I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. All right, you can omit this is optional, but if you like it, put it in. It tastes amazing. So guys, I'm using my silicone muffin tin because it's easier to just remove it from it. So I'm putting my mixture into the muffin tins and I'm going to press it nicely, okay? And then I'm going to put that into the oven, okay, at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. And guys, this one is delicious. Right, so when it's cooled down, I put that into the freezer for about 30 minutes and now I'm just taking it out. As you can see, it's absolutely delicious, okay? Okay, so I'll take it out. You can keep it in the freezer or you can keep it in the fridge. It all works out so nicely and it's so delicious. So guys, this is my healthy way of having my favorite snack in cake, or it can be this way with the honey as well. So which one do you prefer? Just tell me in the comments, okay? It is so good. Try it and you're going to love it. If you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, on Instagram and TikTok. Bye.